So hi guys, what's up? So andito na naman tayo sa panibagong video. So kung interested ka sa mga gantong project guys, katulad ng mga play to earn o kaya stake to earn, na kung naghahanap ka guys is baka para sa'yo na tong si Playdads. So kagandahan dito kay Playdads guys, meron sila ditong different method ng pagbili guys ng kanilang tokens. So pwedeng Ethereum guys, pwedeng USDT, and then pwedeng card, no? So in the future guys, baka i-release na nila yung kanilang play to earn dito, no? Then pwede tayong mag-connect dito ng wallet, no? So select lang natin wallet connect, Best Wallet or MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet. So depende sa inyo guys, no? So ang pinaka-common na ginagamit natin dito is itong MetaMask wallet. So click lang natin yan guys, and yan. So confirm lang natin doon sa MetaMask wallet natin. So ganun lang kasimple. And then ito guys, meron tayo dito pagpipilian kung USDT guys. So nagkakalagang 50 USDT yung gagamitin natin. So worth of 9,578 siya na play tokens, no? Itong si kay Playdads. So kapag niinan natin yan guys, multiply natin yan, no? Yung 9,578 natin sa worth of 50 USDT guys, and then meron silang price increase, no? Yung naging value. So ang current value nitong si Play Tokens guys is 0.005. So kapag nag-increase yan guys, no, so possible kasi mag-increase yung mga ganitong project, yung kanilang tokens, no, pag marami yung demand or users, no. Ayun, so dodoble guys, no, dodoble yung ating pinasok. So again guys, so hindi ko kayo pinipilit guys, so nakadepende pa din sa inyo yun kung gusto nyo pasukin ito. So ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description guys kung gusto nyo bisitahin itong si Playdads, no. So marami tayong pagpipilian dito guys, no, Ethereum, USDT o kaya card. Then pwede din tayo bumili gamit ang BNB, so para mas mura yung gas fee, no, na magagamit. So yun guys, yung pagbili ng tokens guys, so 2 days na lang and then 6 hours, no. Then may white paper sila dito guys, pwede natin yan pindutin. So si Playdads nga pala guys is isang ultimate mobile play to earn. Yan, and then yung iconic Dads meme to life as a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. So inspired siya by Tamagotchi guys, no, kung alam niyo yung Tamagotchi guys. So secure your play tokens pre-sale to earn crypto. Okay? And then ang kagandahan dito guys, hindi lang play to earn, meron din silang stake to earn dito, no? So pwede tayo mag-stake ng BNB. So stake balance makikita natin dito guys, no? Then yung percent of pool estimate rewards guys is 82%. So yung current rewards naman niya guys is 71.53 per Ethereum block. Yun, so total rewards, so pwede natin claim yan guys once na makapag-earn na tayo dun sa in-stake natin, no? Okay? And then yung total supply naman nila guys is 8 billion. So ito yung tatakbo, no? So paano expect na tumakbo yung kanilang supply guys, no? Hanggang 2027, no? Okay? And then dito naman tayo sa about. So about guys, so Playdads nga is a mobile game that combines the beloved Tamagotchi virtual pet experience. Okay? And then, okay, so 82 million Tamagotchi unit has been sold worldwide, no? So maraming possible na mag-invest dito kay Playdads kasi nga yan, bring back memories, no? So mga nakakalam ng Tamagotchi. And then ito yung play to earn nila guys, no? Yung style ng play to earn nila, no? Kapag sa mobile. So pwede natin sa malaro sa PC o kaya sa mobile. So yan, makikita naman natin guys, meron sila ditong buhay, no? Yung ating pet. So possible parang survival ang mangyayari dito. So may buhay. Then may energy din. Okay? Then sa roadmap tayo. So sa roadmap nila guys, phase 1, so contract audit. So pre-sale begins, activate social, first marketing push. So itong phase 1 guys is nasimulan na nila, no? Then ito ang phase 2 naman guys, development begins, pre-sale concludes, token launch on DEX, product roadmap. So ito guys is coming pa lang itong phase 2 siguro nila guys. So sa current status nitong si Playdads, no, I think nasa phase 1 pa lang siya guys. So sa phase 3 naman guys is marketing pump, Playdads app testing. So marketing pump guys, okay, so hindi ko lang alam guys, no. So status siguro itong phase 2 din na ano na nila, no. So phase 3 na sila. So kapag bumili ka ng tokens guys is meron sila ditong marketing pump, no? When i-market talaga nila to ng todo itong si Playdads, then possible talaga na magpa-pump yung kanilang tokens, no? So phase 4 guys, si Playdads app release, launch of minigames and community airdrops and further CRX listings. Okay, so kagandahan dito guys, yung roadmap nila is patuloy lang, no? So may mga future plans sila dito kay Playdads. And then tokenomics nila guys, so 6 allocations. So Playdads tokenomics, so meron silang total of 9.4 billion tokens. So sa token distribution nila guys, 50% dito sa pre-sale, and then 10% naman dito sa marketing. Liquidity naman guys is 1 billion. 10% naman sa project funds, then sa staking naman is 12%. 6.5 naman sa community rewards. So kagandahan dito guys is yung kalahati talaga ng kanilang billion na distribution guys is dito sa pre-sale, no? Okay, so mas priority talaga nila yung nagbumili talaga ng tokens, no? And then how to buy, so connect lang natin yung best wallet natin. Okay, makita natin dito yung mga questions guys, and then yung mga tutorial kung paano mag-swap, stake, claim, connect, and swap, no? Okay, so dito naman meron sila dito mga katanungan. Kung may mga katanungan kayo guys is baka masagot nitong si Playdads, so click lang ninyo tong, no? And then sa audit, ito yung audit nila guys, no? Yung documents ng audits nila guys, pwede nyo tignan yan guys, no? Okay, so para so yun guys, napaka-simple lang nitong si Playdads. So sa white paper tayo naman. Okay, so introduction, so P2 nga siya, yan. Okay, and then introduction, storyline. So crypto world is shaking by a mysterious event. So beloved dodges, the iconic crypto memes, no? Then historic in concept. Okay, so if you were born in 1980s or 90s, so para sa mga 80s at saka 90s guys dito, so maiging pamilyar na kagad sila dito kay Tamagotchi na style nitong si Playdads. Kasi nga lumabas yung Tamagotchi guys is 80s and 90s, no? Yan, the Playdads evolution. Okay, Playdads games, ito yung innovative gameplay with high stakes, cryptocurrency integration, community, and social play. So yan guys, no? So pwede nyo basahin itong kanilang white paper guys kung gusto nyo, no? Para mas maraming informations at buo yung informations na makukuha nyo at mababasa nyo dito kay Playdads. Play to earn guys, no? Yan. Okay, so yung iba naman natin dito is nasa mismong home na nitong website nila guys, no? Yung nasa white paper nila. So kung gusto niyo mas maraming updates guys, mas ma-updates kayo, is pwede niyo bisitahin itong kanilang Twitter. So meron sila dito 6,215 followers guys. So as you can see guys is marami sila ditong nagko-comments guys, no? Marami ding talaga sumusubaybay. So ibig sabihin guys, napaka-active ng community nila nitong si Playdads, no? Okay, oh. So umaabot pa ng 6.5k, no? And then dito tayo sa kanilang Telegram. Dito naman sa Telegram nila guys is meron sila ditong 11,588 subscribers or members, no? So okay, so pwede nyo din natin i-view at sumali sa Telegram guys para maipag-communicate din sa iba pang mga nag-invest dito kay Playdads, no? So ito yung partnership nila guys. So partner sila ng Binance Square, TradingView, CoinCodex, no? Then the Economic Times Fixed Tips. So yung iba dito guys is kilalang kilala na, no? So katulad nyo si Bitcoin.com, si TradingView. So mga kilala yan guys. Okay, and then pwede din pala natin baguhin yung ita-translate natin guys, no? Kung anong lingwahe guys. So pwede English, Filipino. Okay, yan. So download Playdads, coming soon na yan. So advance with the Playdads app alongside your digital dads companion project and Ambek Utilize Play tokens to unlock P2E rewards for maintaining your dad's well-being concurrent game devers. So, makikita nyo talaga guys na talagang pinaghandaan nila itong project na to. Kasi nga, dito pa lang sa website nila guys, talagang inano nila, no? Nag-focus na sila dito guys, no? So, may mga project kasi guys na yung kanilang website is parang ano lang, simple lang yung pagkakagawa nila, hindi ka to dito sa Playdads guys, no? So again guys, no, so nakadepende pa rin sa inyo yun guys kung gusto nyo mag-invest sa mga ganitong project, no? So tayo ay nagsishare lang ng mga ganitong investment at mga play to earn na project guys. So hanggang dito na lang guys.